gain a good physique is not that tough, but then to maintain that fitness is a little tough, you know.
That's
So do you agree with that?
Yeah, I do agree with that. That as I said, that you get into a crash diet or a crash fitness course, you can just losing inches is not it. You really have to maintain it. So just eat the right kind of food, don't starve yourself, and then as I said that just stick to your diet that you follow every day at home, and just make fitness your lifestyle. It's something that you have to do it every day.
Okay, would like to know what is your health culture? Like I go to the gym in the morning and I do 20 push-ups religiously. So that's my health culture. So what's your health culture?
All right, so my favorite regime that way is yoga and kickboxing. So I've been practicing yoga for about 10 years now, and yoga has helped me in several ways. It helps your skin, your hair, your nails become my nails became really strong, and I'm not even joking. My nails actually stopped chipping, and your posture. I used to learn the sitar, and when you learn sitar, you have to sit in a certain position, so it made me gain that posture very well. And kickboxing is brilliant because you can channelize. I've just started doing kickboxing about 6 months now, about a year now, and kickboxing really channelizes a lot of your energy. So you have these, whether they're negative or positive energy, it doesn't matter, you let it out. You really let your aggressive self out, and you feel so nice.
Okay, my mom doesn't forget to give me a glass of milk in the morning, so that's her health culture for me. So ऐसे कुछ आपके घर में भी देखने को मिलता है या मिलता था?
Yeah, milk is something that my mom would make sure that I have a glass of milk every day. I love dairy, okay? I mean, I know a lot of people who don't. Again, same things, people have different concepts about, being lactose intolerant, and, you shouldn't have dairy. I've grown up having dairy food and I don't mind it. I like milk consumption. I do have, milk with Bonvita. That's been my childhood favorite.
And mom के हिसाब से तो दूध में ही सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोटीन होता है.
Well, yeah, I mean, there can be a research on that, but then, yeah, थोड़ा फ़ायदे तो होते ही होंगे, I'm sure. But yeah, I love milk with Bonvita, और I love hot chocolate during the winters, or बारिश का जब होता है monsoon में, hot chocolate is so amazing. Another very good way of consuming milk is with honey and haldi. If you're fallen sick, do not go for medicines immediately. Have a glass of hot milk with haldi and just see the difference. If it still keeps you feel feverish only, then go to a doctor and have medicines. Trust me, it's all ghar ka nuska, tried and tested.
What's your take on preventive health care?
Health checkups, yeah, I mean, one should have a yearly checkup done, and right from your dental, your teeth, to your you get your MRI done, and your total body checkup. And especially if you feel that something is off about your body in a certain year, maybe it can be one small little back pain somewhere, या तो 2-3 महीने में एक बार कभी शायद आपको एक one nerve is hurting, you have a headache, you must get it checked. Do not ignore these small signs, and it may be really small and it comes and goes, but make sure that you just go and check it up, or at least research about it. Google, it's all in the hand, so you can just always just find out what's happening with you. eat जितना